So what's your trading plan for the day? Which pair are you trading and what's your bias for the pair?
Actually, I have two pairs in mind.
Okay,
I think one of it is the Euro USD.
okay,
My bias for Euro USD is long time is bearish.
bearish. Okay,
Yes, but I am expecting Euro USD to do a pullback to premium area so that
okay,
I can look out for a sell opportunity. Yeah,
okay,
that's my expectation.
okay. You would have waited for the pullback. You would have waited for the pullback before going bearish. Oh, you are buying, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So you can see what the indicator, the signal the indicator generated. You can
Yes,
see the
sir.
bias, the daily bias is bearish. The previous average price is 1.1731. And it's bearish because the market opened, today's candle opened below the average price. Then we have the ATR value. This is the daily ATR value. And we have the ATR divide 2, which gives you this. So if you want to sell, you should wait for price to do a pullback in between 22.6 and 45.1. Do you get that? Do you get that? The pullback will be between 22.6 pips and 45.1 pips. Now, as you can see on the chart, the market has been bearish since it opened. It's been bearish since it's opened. So for you to take a sell trade, you need to wait for price to do a pullback. Okay, you need the price to pull back up by 22.6 pips, between 22.6 pips and 45.1 pips. This should happen in London or New York session. So you see these lines you see here, these are your entry. These are the areas you should look for. This zone here, this is entry level 1, this is entry level 2. This is the 45.1 pips, this is the 22.6 pips. So if price pulls back to this level and a bearish reversal pattern form at this point, it's not a must that you wait for a bearish reversal pattern to form. You can take your trade from this point, but it's best that you wait for a bearish reversal pattern to form. Because if you apply your Fibonacci now from this swing high, which is the high of the open for the day, to the current swing low, we have our premium and we have our discount. So price should pull back to that premium area, which is this area for us to sell. Are you with me? If price does not pull back to this area, then you shouldn't take the trade. You should not take the trade. Okay? So that's my take on Euro USD. Euro USD is bearish, but we need to see price do a pullback to this area before we take the sell trade. Now, this indicator will also tell you the lot size should apply on the trade. Okay, it will tell you the lot size you should apply on the trade. Now, this is a $10,000 demo account, and the risk is fixed at 50 pips. It's fixed at 50 pips. So 2% of $1,000, $10,000 is 2% of $10,000 is $200. $200. So if you multiply 0.40 times 50, that would give you $200. That's why the lot size is here. So the indicator will also help you calculate the lot size. You can see. Okay. So which other pair are you considering? Let's look at it together. Which other pair?
I'm considering trading GBP JPY.
GBP JPY. I have a sell trade on GBP JPY and it's a massive profit right now. What's your bias on GBP JPY?
My bias is sell actually, but currently, when I came to the chart, I discovered that price has left me.
Yeah.
So I'm hoping if price can actually do a
Go back.
pullback.
So,
Yes.
so why I took the sell, you can see the indicator gave the signal. Sell, bearish. This what was it called? Bias changes every day. The bias changes after the close of the daily candle. immediately the next day candle opens, it gives you the bias for the day, and it does not change until the opening of the next day candle. So you will not see buy now, and the next 1 hour or 2 hours you are seeing sell. No, it gives you the bias for the day. So you have you can see it says bearish, the average price 211.01. It means the market, the new candle for the day opened below the average price. Then you have your ATR value 119.5. Then you have this for the ATR divided by 2, 59.8. So price has to pull back between 59.8 and 119 pips to the upside before we look for sell. Is that clear? Before we look for sell, price has to pull back between 59.8 to 119.5 pips to the upside before we sell. Now look at what played out today. This was the opening for the day, right? So let's see how you can see price pulled back. To calculate the range of this movement, you can see the range of this movement from this low to this high. You can see that's 63. Is it the reason for the sell? 63 pips. You can see that, which is between 59.8 and 119 pips. And you can see that this pullback is at a premium area. If you go down to a lower time frame, this candlestick that formed here, it created a fair value gap. Let's just confirm. And that's the reason for this buy. Let's just confirm. But you don't need all this. The indicator just does the analysis and tell you what you should. You can see this fair value gap here. Can you see this fair value gap? That's the reason for this pullback. If you go to 15 minutes, there's still a fair value gap of 15 minutes, I think. So I don't stress myself doing the analysis again. This thing just does the work. Just does the work. So you can see we have this fair value gap here. There's still a fair value gap here. Let's go to 5 minutes. There's a reason price came to this level. There's a reason it came to this level. The first reason was to come and sweep the liquidity residing at this high. That was the first reason. Come and sweep this high. Then fill a fair value gap above. Let's go to 5 minutes. There is a fair value gap above that level of liquidity. Can you see it? Can you see this fair value gap here? This could be the reason. If it crosses or closes above this fair value gap, it means we still have a fair value gap on 1 minute time frame. If it closes above it, you can see. Okay, it closed above it. It means there's still a fair value gap on 1 minute time frame. But I don't want us to go down to 1 minute. If there's no fair value gap on 1 minute time frame, it means there's a fair value gap on 30-second time frame. If there's no fair value gap on 30-second time frame, there's a fair value gap on maybe 5-second or 1 second time frame. But we don't have those time frame on MT4 or MT5. You only have them on TradingView. That is if you are subscribed to TradingView. You can see. So you can see the reason I took the sell. I'm still holding the trade. First target is 50 pips. Now, what I need to add to this indicator, okay, TP level, yeah, TP1, TP2. What we have here is just the entry level. It's just the entry level. I'm going to add TP1 level and TP2 level.
Then,
I hope that is clear. Yeah.
Now, I want to ask one question based on this indicator.
Yeah.
If peradventure someone get this indicator and you are doing an update on this indicator,
yeah,
will it automatically updated on?
No. It won't automatically update it. If there is an update, I'll be the one to inform you.
Okay.
So you have to delete the indicator, the existing one, you have to delete it, then I will send a new one. Do you get that? Yes.
Sir. Then 2, this the range for the day.
Yeah.
After generating the range for the day.
Yeah.
Am I the one that will mark out my range points, or it will automatically mark it out on like a dotted line on the chart for me? Wow.
Your entry levels.
Yes.
You can see it now. I just explained that. It will display your entry levels, where to enter, to display everything. See it here. This is buy. This is for buy. Entry 1, entry 2, buy. Then for sell, you have entry 1, entry 2 for sell. So if you are entering your sell at entry 1, your stop loss be maybe a few pips above this entry 2 level. Anything that makes market break down entry 2 level for that day, then that day your bias is invalidated. You just accept that loss. Wait for the next day. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
So now at this point on GJ.
Yes.
On GJ, at what point are we expected to sell GJ now?
If it does a pullback between 59.8 and 119 pips, you look for your sell. If it does a pullback of 59.8, between 59.8 and 119.5 pips, that's when you look for your sell. Exactly.
Yes, sir.
And that is likely going to happen in maybe New York session. Likely going to happen in New York session. If it doesn't happen in New York session, then you've missed the move for the day. Let's go. You can look at other pairs. If you missed move on a pair, you can look at other pairs. You could find an opportunity on those other pairs. That's why what you should be doing with this indicator is that if you have the time by 10 p.m. once the market closes, analyze, apply all the all the pairs, analyze everything, and look at the one that gives you high probability setup. Then you follow those ones.
So that by London session, you have already gotten your
yes, 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 yes. I hope that is clear. I hope that is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, who has asked question or you have a pair you want us to analyze? Let me just unmute your mic. Let me, Daniel is on the road. Mr. Makinwa, which pair are you trading today and what's your bias?
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
Actually,
Please, if there's anything, why I called for this meeting also is if there's anything you want me to add to this indicator, please let me know. If there's something you think need to be added to this indicator, let me know, please. Okay, Mr. Makinwa, go on.
Okay, yeah, it's EU and GU that I actually have in mind for today.
Okay, we've done EU now.
Which has been dealt with. But I wanted to ask.
EU, we did EU. We've analyzed EU. We've not analyzed GU.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sorry, this is GJ.
But I think I dropped the signal on the group for GU. That gold.
For GU, yes,
I've not really worked on gold. I've not really worked on gold.
Okay.
Well, let's look at gold. Okay. It will still give you, don't worry, it will still give you, let's look at gold. It will work.
All right.
Okay, all right. Let's look at gold.
This indicator is a wonderful job, sir. Very wonderful job.
Let's look at gold. It will work on gold, so it's just that the risk on gold will be very high. That's just it. The risk on gold will be very high. Okay. So this is gold. What's the bias on gold? Bullish. Okay. It's saying gold is bullish. Man, this difference is more between 400 and this should be 444 pips and 888 pips. That's the range. And it's saying price is at premium. If price is at premium, then we should look for sell. But it's saying bullish. Market opened. Now, if you want to buy, Okay, if you want to buy, going by this, if you want to buy, then price has to drop. Price has to drop between 444 pips and 888 pips. That's when you look for your buy. You see this is buy entry. This is buy entry. So if you are not taking a buy on gold, you have to wait for price to pull back to either entry level 1 year, which will be about 440 something pips, then entry level 2 year, which will be 888 pips. Okay, so that's when you look for buy. You cannot buy from the current market price now. You cannot buy. You cannot buy. Is that clear? Is that clear? Mr. Makenwa, is that clear?
It's very clear, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so you cannot buy now. You cannot buy now.
Exactly. Yes.
You have to wait for price to pull back.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Any other question? Mr. Kola? Morning, sir. Which pair are you trading today? If you have any question, Mr. Kola, please unmute your mic.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
It is, I'm looking at GBP USD.
Okay, GBP USD.
And you sent a number of parameters, at least from the EA.
Yeah.
And I haven't understood how to apply all of them.
Okay. Okay. So what do we have here on the daily bias is bearish.
Correct.
Daily bias is bearish. Okay. Now the range is on 36, between 36.1 pips to 72.2 pips. So
yes.
before we sell, price should pull back up. Right? Price should pull back up by 36.1.
36.
Yes, between 36.1. That's where we'll be looking for our bearish signal. So this is the opening for the day. Let's go down to 4 hour. Has it done a pullback up to that? Up to, let's see, from this low. From this low to the pullback so far is this. This is just 20. This is just 25, right?
Okay.
Yeah, this is just 25 pips. It has not done up to 36.
36.
Yeah, so one could look for sell at this area. But before you sell, you wait for a bearish reversal pattern to form. Now, this indicator is suggesting you sell from this level or this level. That's what the indicator is indicating. That this should be your entry 1, entry 2. Now, look at what we have here. We have this you can work with. This is high. This is low. If you apply your Fibonacci here,
right
now
the price is at premium.
Yeah, no, price are discounts at the moment.
Oh, discount.
Yes, it's a discount. So before you sell, wait for price to pull back to a premium area. Yes, and you can see now. You see this difference. This is interesting about this this indicator. You see this what's it called?
This the gap.
Yeah, I'm coming. This is the opening for the day, right? Yeah, you can see from the opening of the day. Can you see the opening of the day?
Yes.
From the opening of the day to this level is
about 36
pips, which is the average range half value.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 36 pips. Okay. Now, if this market has gone down by 36 pips, you know what will happen?
Yeah.
This entry will adjust.
Oh.
Yes, it will adjust. Yes, it will adjust if the market had dropped up to 36 pips. If the market gets to this level, this your entry level 1 will adjust. It will calculate like 36 pips from the current market price and adjust this entry level 1 and entry level 2.
Entry level 2.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, that's how it works.
Isn't that interesting?
Yeah. Yeah. So this is your entry level at the moment. But if price keeps dropping, this entry level will change.
Continue to come.
Yes. I hope that is clear. So if you want to sell, wait for price to pull back to this area before you sell. Simple.
And that is
it will suggest your
1.3.
lot size. Yeah,
It will suggest your lot
1.3481.
size.
Yeah, this is the lot size. This is the lot size. This is a $10,000 demo account, and it's calculated using the 2% of your capital. 2% of your capital. So it tells you the lot size. So since the risk, the market risk is fixed, 50 pips. So 0.40 lot size times 50 pips will give me $200, which is 2% of the $10,000. Yeah, which is 2% of the $10,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
This previous average, is it the
opening and close, the addition of opening and close of a candle divided by 2?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That's fine.
Any other
question?
Thank you. You're welcome, sir.
No, I'm okay. But there was a trader there that you dropped and was given SL 50 pips and TP at 70 pips and 50. That was also one thing I could not reconcile. This is clearer.
Okay.
And I'm good about this.
Okay.
So if a situation whereby you have $1,000 as your equity, then you should be looking at 0.04 or something like that.
2%. 2% of your 1,000 will be 2% of your 1,000 will be $20. Yes, that will be 0.04. You are correct.
Okay.
Yes, 0.04. But if you are considering trading more than 2 pairs, more than 1 pairs, then you have to split that your 0.04 into 2. Let's say you want to trade 2 pairs for that day, then you have to split it into 2 so that your maximum daily drawdown does not exceed that 2%.
Okay.
If you want to trade 4 pairs, that means you have to use 0.01. Yes, but the thing about using 0.01 is that you cannot close partials. So whatever trade you are executing, ensure that you use a minimum of 0.02 lot size so that you're able to close partials at TP1. Do you get that, sir?
Yes, I do.
Yes. So 0.01 lot size is no-go area unless you want to hold the trade to final TP. But it's best that you close partials at, when the market gets to TP1, close 70%. 70% of whatever profit you have made at that point. Close it. Okay. Then leave the remaining one to get to TP.
TP2.
Yes.
TP2.
Yes. So I'm still going to add what's it called? I might convert this indicator to an EA so that it will be able to execute. It will be able to execute the trade. No, you would execute the trade. It will set your TP and your stop loss automatically. Then also trail your stop automatically. Yes, your own is just to execute the trade.
Okay.
Yes, so it will set your TP1, TP2, trail your stop, everything. It will do everything.
Okay.
Yes, your role is just to execute.
That's fine. That's getting interesting. I'm making somebody lazy.
Yeah. Is that all, sir? Any other question? Mr. Kola, do you have any question?
No, I don't have any question. I'll just apply this learning. That's all.
All right, sir. Daniel, can you talk? You said you're on the road. Daniel, if you can talk, please unmute your mic. Daniel, I guess you're in a noisy environment. Who is this sailor? Who is this sailor? Unmute your mic. Who is this sailor? Who is sailor? Sailor. Unmute your mic, sailor. This is the first time I'm saying this name. Okay, Mr. Latif. Good morning. Can you talk, Mr. Latif? Do you have any question? Yeah, I know, Mr. Donda, I know. Do you have any question? If you have any question, just unmute your mic. So I'll be launching this this indicator. Hopefully by month end, I'll be launching it. And for those of you that are my students, you would have access to this indicator for just $10, and that is 30 days subscription. For 30 days subscription, I could even increase it to maybe 2 months for my students for just $10. $10. Then others will get access to it for the launch price will be $20 for others, and monthly subscription will be $50 for others. But for my students, the subscription fee will remain at that $10. I'm not going to increase it for my students. $10, that's what you'll be paying to access this indicator on a monthly basis. For others, after the launch date, after this indicator is launched, they will have to pay $50 monthly to access to make use of this indicator. I hope that is fair. Mr. Kola, you said I changed mouths. Please.
Not so. I mean, I recall we were having a discussion, was it day before yesterday, and you said that for those of us you just let us have it. But new people coming in, they are the ones going to appear.
No. I didn't say you're just going to have it. I said, no, I said you're going to pay $10. I didn't say you're going to get it for free. I never said that. Please, others should confirm. Mr. Makinwa.
Okay.
Mr. Makinwa, please confirm.
Yes. Actually, you mentioned $10.
I said $10. I never said free.
Yes.
I never said free.
I don't know how I can miss $10. Oh.
Sir? Sir?
I said, I don't know how I did not hear the $10. Oh.
Okay, I said $10. It was mentioned. It was mentioned. But can't it be an actual purchase?
One-time fee?
Exactly.
That one-time fee. That one-time fee. No. Maybe there will be quarterly, there will be yearly. Quarterly and yearly, yes. Okay. And my students will have the huge discounts. Students will have huge discounts. Instead of paying $10 times quarterly is 4 months, right?
Yeah.
So instead of you paying for my students, instead of you paying 40. I might just ask you to pay me $30 for 4 months. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's not bad.
Yeah.
That's not
with
bad.
With this, once you have this indicator, you can use it to provide signals to make extra money if you want to make extra money. I'm going to share some secrets on how you can make money. If I have $100 in your account, forget that $100. That's not what you're going to make the millions. You have to offer some other services. Other services. Yes. So once you've mastered this indicator, you've understood it. Nothing stops you from using it to provide signals for others. At some point, I might decide to stop selling the indicator.
Yeah,
at some point, yes, I'm going to stop selling. Maybe when I get up to 100 persons.
People using it.
I might stop it. Yes, I might stop it, because the thing is that if a lot of people start using the indicator, brokers will start. Brokers will start attacking people's accounts.
Okay.
Yes, they will start attacking people's accounts. So I don't want to make it available for a lot of people.
A lot of people.
Yes. Okay. So I'm going to maybe maximum of 100 persons. Once I get 100 persons, I might stop selling the indicator. And those 100 persons can now take advantage of that to sell signals. It is copy trading you want to offer, whatever you want to do to make extra money. Those 100 people will have that privilege. They will have that privilege. And also they will have the privilege to sell. Okay. They will have the privilege to sell and also get commission for selling the indicator.
Okay.
Yes, they can decide whatever amount they want to sell. I don't care. Just pay me my own. I'll get you the file you send to the clients. Your client does not need to know me. They don't need to know me. Whatever you want to sell it, make money for yourself. That's just it. So those 100 persons will have that privilege. They will have the privilege. And if there's any updates, you will be informed. I'll create a community, a WhatsApp group where those people that buy the software, they'll be added to. So if you have any question, any challenge, Always ask your questions and it will be attended to.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is 1 month a good duration to test this?
What?
Is 1 month a good duration to test this EA?
Sure.
Okay.
Sure. Truth is that if you follow the rules, you cannot blow your account. That's just the truth. You cannot blow your account unless you over leverage. If you follow the risk management rules that comes with it, you cannot blow your account unless you over leverage or you're doing otherwise. That's when you blow your account.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Joseph.
Yes, boss.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Boss, I must say I really appreciate your efforts. It's really telling that we are working day and night to see how we, your students, at least be benefiting or staying consistently profitable in the market. Just commend your effort. Well done, sir. God bless you and give you more wisdom. I actually want to say something based on
I didn't hear you. You want to say something on the audible, please?
Based on the we are deliberating on the purchase of this software.
Yeah.
So I think someone, whether Mr. Oni, raised an opinion that why can't it be like a kind of an outright one-time purchase? And I think you were kicking up against it. So I want to also emphasize on that. Sir, for we that are your students, can't you do it like a kind of one-time purchase for us?
If I want to do one-time purchase for people, the minimum I will collect is maybe $1,000. The minimum is $1,000. Is that clear? The minimum is $1,000. Is that clear, Joseph?
Hello, I said your network was breaking. I didn't hear what you said.
I said if I'm going to give lifetime access, the minimum I will collect is $1,000.
Wow.
Minimum. But maybe in the future, I might consider something for all my students. I might.
Okay.
Yes, I might in the future. I might consider something for my students. Okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome. Emmanuel.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Can you hear me?
Good morning, sir. We can hear you, sir.
I joined late, so in fact, I'm so unhappy because I joined before we started. I saw you were already there, but somehow network took me out and I was now busy, only to come back now. The time has really gone.
Okay,
I came
sir.
in when you were talking about the software, so I missed a lot. I hope there will be recording available.
Yes. This recording will be available immediately after the class. It will be available. Just give me like between 1 hour. I would upload and send the link. Yes.
Okay, but my question is this: the resellers' right you want to give.
Yep.
Will people not buy it if we sell and then try to copy the indicator or the software?
It will only work on an account. It will only work on an account number. You cannot use it on 2 account number.
Okay.
Yes, it will only work on one account.
If you want to sell it, we will send you the account number, the trading account.
Account number and broker's name.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Then the second question, is it compatible with mobile trading app?
No.
Does it work on the mobile phone?
No. It only work on PC.
So
It only work
because
on
most
PC.
people now is mobile phone they are using.
Yes.
So it means those that are on mobile cannot make use of it.
If they have laptop, they will do the analysis at night, identify their entry levels, then maybe every 1 hour they log in to see where price is for execution.
Okay.
Yes, you do your analysis.
Okay.
And if you are the one providing the services for them, you can analyze the market. My plan is to be available every 10 p.m. every day for anyone that buys the software. Every day I'll be available by 10 p.m. and also by 10 a.m. You understand? So analyze the market and tell them what they should expect. And I could also decide to be giving them the signals, the entry levels and everything, you know. Considering those that don't have phone, I'm considering those that don't have phone, how they can also take advantage.
Okay, are you going to train us on how to use it?
Use the indicator?
Yes.
And that's the essence of the classes we'll be having now. That's the essence of the classes.
I missed it.
And you watch the replay. Okay, you watch the replay.
Yes. Okay. Okay. That's fine. That's all from me.
All right. Any other question? Do you have any other question? Does anyone have question? Just unmute your mic if you have. You can unmute your mic if you have any question. Mr. Sam, okay, you are signed out. Mr. Atonda, I hope you're still with us. If you have any question, let me know if you have any question. If you have any question, just unmute your mic.
Okay, boss.
If there are no questions, we'll just end the session, okay? Joseph. Yeah.
Okay, I wanted to add to the question Mr. Emmanuel was asking.
Okay.
That I think he was talking about if it is compatible with food.
People, please move close to your mic. Move close to your mic, please.
Okay, I think Mr. Emmanuel was asking if it is compatible with phone. In that case, Mr. Emmanuel, what you just need to do is just for you to do your markup. You can log into your PC and then after seeing your point, you can do the markup on your phone.
Yeah,
and
that's
then
it.
Monitor how price is moving towards the markup directions and level to see and then make your decision.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Thank you. So I think that'll be all for this session. Any question? If you have any question, please let me know. That'll be all for this session. No question.
So the GU.
Yes, sir.
It's far from entry point, so we should just be monitoring and waiting.
Yes, so just wait. To patience, please. Patience. Don't rush it. Patience. It will go. It will reverse. If it does not reverse, just let it go. It would. Okay. It would. Yes, I believe in New York session. Expect that in New York session.
All right.
All right. I appreciate you all for your participation. I wish you all a wonderful day. Hopefully, we'll meet later. Should we be meeting by 10? Because by that 10, the daily candle, no, it's 11, the daily candle closes. So I don't think it's possible for us to be meeting by 11. So I think we have to meet morning. Or what do you think?
The 10 is okay.
Are you saying 10 p.m. or you are referring to 10
I would have suggested 11 p.m. because that is when the daily candle open. That's when we can get the buyers.
Okay
11 p.m.
Manage now.
So it's either we do it 11 p.m. We do it 11 p.m. or we meet in the morning when the market would have opened and it would have updated the buyers for the day.
With the buyers for the day.
The buyers for the day is
for the day will have been updated.
The buyers for the day is updated by 11 p.m. Yes, 11 p.m.
Yes, sir.
11 p.m.
Okay.
Me that I'm even talking, that 11 p.m. I might have slept. I not be convenient. Let's see if we can. Let's see if we can. The days that we can meet, let's just have it in mind. The days that we can meet, the days that we can meet, we'll meet. And the days that is not possible, carry it to the next day.
Okay.
Or maybe I'll just
try it now.
The days or maybe I'll just do the days that everyone cannot participate. Maybe I'll just do a recording, then post the link for those that will not show up or will not attend the 11 p.m. class. I'll just drop a video after the class.
All these are suggestions, so there's no harm in trying them out. Let's try and see if we can meet. If we try 2-3 times, we cannot, then we'll come up with another suggestion. Then the link you are suggesting is another good idea. You can do the recording on your own if nobody turned up and post the replay for us. So okay. The good thing with live phone is that we'll have the opportunity to ask you questions, and we get to understand clearly how it works.
All right.
So,
all right.
Yes.
Have a great day.
And you too. Bye.